In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Spotify Desktop. To get started, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the official Spotify download page. It's important to use the official website so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. When you arrive at the Spotify download page, look for the download button and click it. The installer should begin downloading automatically. If you're using a Windows computer, the file will usually be called spotifysetup.exe. If you're on a Mac, the file will typically download as spotifyinstaller.zip. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. If you're using Windows, the next step is to open your downloads folder and find the spotifysetup.exe file. Double-click the installer to launch it. After that, simply wait while Spotify installs on your computer. In most cases, the setup is very quick and doesn't require much input from you. Once the installation is complete, Spotify should open automatically. At that point, you can log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. If you're using a Mac, open the downloaded Spotify installer.zip file first. This will extract the Spotify app. Then drag the Spotify application into your Applications folder. After that, open your Applications folder and launch Spotify from there. Once the app opens, go ahead and log in or sign up, depending on whether you already have an account. If you need to sign in after installation, open the Spotify app and click Log In. Then enter your account credentials or choose one of the available sign-in options, such as Google or Facebook, if that's how your account is set up. Make sure you use the same method you originally used to create your Spotify account so everything works smoothly. If you run into any issues, there are a few simple fixes to try. If the installer won't open on Windows, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. If Spotify isn't installing properly, restart your computer and try again. And also make sure your internet connection is stable. On Mac, if you see a security warning, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and allow Spotify to open. And that's it. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start using Spotify Desktop on your computer.